Hi, my name's Rachel Newman. I'm a master gardener with the Itasca County University of Minnesota Extension, and I'm here at the Learning Garden located on the YMCA campus here in beautiful Grand Rapids. I'm going to talk today about ways that we plant our garden using best practices to make sure it's growing healthy food for us as well as healthy food for our pollinators. We started this garden in 2008 and it has come a long way since then with a lot of skills from our Master Gardener group. Today I'm going to talk about spacing, watering, caring for soil, interplanting or companion planting, as well as succession and successive planting. All of these things are going to help the plants grow, and all of these things are going to make sure that we're providing a maximum amount of food for the space that we have for ourselves, as well as some beneficial things for nature. So come on in.